Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but in today's video we're gonna be playing this brand new game called Build an Island. It's been getting famous lately, so I thought I would check it out. And also in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you the best way to earn lots of money in this game without using Robux. Okay? So with this, let's get started with our video. Okay. Step one of this is for you to build the complete island. So it took me about 2 hours to do it. I guess you can do it in about 2 to 3 hours in total. The most easiest way to earn money in this game is by planting. You can see my plants collection over here. We have lots of strawberries, tomatoes, blueberries, and apples, and also lots of them over here too. Okay, so this is like the easiest way to earn money in the game. And apart from that, I'm gonna show you a brand new farm that you can do to farm toolboxes. That'll give you 75 coins each. So let's go to that farm right now. Okay, so we are at my toolbox farm, and this farm will get you over 10k coins every hour. That making you 100k every 10 hours if you could. AFK, just AFK, nothing else. Okay, so here I can just craft a lot of toolboxes. So a toolbox needs a lot of iron, 20 iron and 65 stone bricks. So I have iron going on here and then stone bricks going on over here. And if you want the configuration for this farm, let me just show you in a second. But as you know, this farm makes over 10k coins every single hour, so that's a lot. So let me go to the configuration. So guys, here's the configuration for this farm. So if you see, we need wood for the farm. So I have all of my lumberjacks doing wood for me. And then I need iron ore as well as stone. So I have two lumberjacks doing stone and one of them doing iron ore. And coming to crafters, we need iron ingots and more iron ingots and stone bricks. So these guys are doing iron ingots and stone bricks. So with that, let's see how much money we can earn using this farm. So I've been farming for quite a while and also have been checking out at my crops, and if you can see we have a lot of crops here. Let me get all the crops and all the toolboxes till now so I can show you how much we have made in the past 1 hour. Okay guys, I'm done with taking all the crops and all of the toolboxes. You can see them in my inventory here. We have a lot of strawberries, a lot of blueberries, tomatoes, and toolboxes. So let's sell all of these and check out how much we made. So as you can see, I was at 1k and now I'm at 10k over here. So I made over 9k in the past 1 hour. And coming to how you're gonna spend this money, there's not much you can do. So to improve the crops farm, you're gonna go talk to this merchant guy and you're gonna buy all the crops seeds that are there, and then you're gonna plant them so you can get them back later. And then after that, there's not much you can upgrade over here. So all that you're gonna do is go to your upgrades menu on the side over here, and then you're gonna be upgrading crafting speed so you can get iron and bricks faster. And in case you want foot faster, you are gonna have to upgrade this regrowth boost. So now to get about 10k, I have crafting speed level 10, and also offline earnings you can spend on. So even if you're AFK, you're gonna get the money. And also you're gonna improve your collector time so that they can work for more time for free, in case you don't have enough miners or enough lumberjacks. So this is the end of the video. I've showed you how to make about 10k in 1 hour, and doing this farm every day. If you do it for 10 hours a day, you're gonna get about 100k money, and probably you gotta stack up on some money for the next update, which is over here. So we have this brand new volcano update dropping out in 1 day, 7 hours, almost 1 day and 8 hours. So for that update, you might require some coins and some resources. So you can get some good amount of coins and buy some cool updates using this method. So goodbye for now. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more, and goodbye until the next video.